Good morning, students. In this lecture, we are going to study about the CNC part programming. So, it is under the subject Computer Aided Design and Manufacturing of 6th semester under Unit 4. Last lecture, we have studied about the CNC fundamentals. In this lecture, we are going to study about the CNC part programming. CNC part programming involves writing programs using numbers, letters, and symbols. And these numbers, letters, and symbols are converted into binary form. And this binary form is read by the encoders of the machine controller unit. So, we are giving instruction to the machines by using part programs by letters and symbols and numbers. Uh, we are giving addresses, we are giving instructions to the machine control unit to move the spindle, to do the to move the tool and the spindle on and off, or cooling on and off. Such functions are carried out using this CNC part programming. And this in the CNC part programming, so each line of a part program, each line of a part program is called as a block. Okay, one line of a part program, for example N010, or in this slide it is N3. This N3 is a block. This block consists of one or more codes, that is G codes, preparatory function, and XYZ are the destination coordinates, and IJK are the distance to center of the circle, and F is a feed rate, S is a spindle speed, and T4 is a tool function, and M is a miscellaneous function. Okay. M code, this is G code, G2 is G code, and M2 is a M code. Okay, this consists of a block. Okay, the block number it is N010, N020, N030, 30, 40, 50, like this. The numbers are arranged in this manner in such a way that every line will execute an operation. Okay, and completion of the all lines will create a entire manufacturing operation. Okay, this sequence number is very important. That is, it is incremented by 5 or 10 because we can add or we can edit some other numbers in between these numbers. If you want to change the programs, we can easily add or some numbers to this program. Okay, each block execute a command. One or more G codes, M codes, position codes are present on this block. So block is a separate line, is called as a block in the CNC part programming. We are going to study about the G codes. The G codes, G00 is rapid traverse. The tool moves from one point to another point at a rapid speed. G01 is linear interpolation, that is, it makes a cut. For example, in turning operation, G01 it moves in the linear direction, and G02 it is used for milling. G03 is also used for it is circular interpolation clockwise, and G03 is circular interpolation counterclockwise. G04 is a dwell command. It tells the tool to dwell for some seconds. It is represented in seconds, 400 seconds or some seconds. It is represented in seconds. And G17, G18, G19, they are used for milling machine operations. For the thread cutting, G33 to G35 commands are used. And G40 is a cutter compensation. For example, in a end milling drill, the cutter has some radius, so the cutter compensation has to be taken into account in the milling operation. So G41 cutter compensation left, cutter compensation right, cutter compensation positive, cutter compensation negative are the commands used in this. These are all the G codes used for such a commands. Then these are all the different G codes, and out of this G90 is used for absolute positioning, G91 incremental positioning, and G97 spindle speed in RPM. These are all the important G codes used. M codes. M codes, G codes are the preparatory functions. It prepares the MCU to do some operation. That is, they are mainly concerned with the position control. Whereas the M codes are miscellaneous codes or machine codes. It controls machine operations. M00 represents program stop program stop, and M01 optional programmable stop, and M03 it is spindle is switched on in the clockwise direction. Spindle rotates in the clockwise direction. M04 spindle rotates in the counterclockwise direction. M05 spindle stop. M06 tool change. If there are more than one tool, the tool can be changed using this M06 command. And M07 coolant supply on, and M08 coolant supply on. 2 coolant supply number 2 on. M09 coolant off. M13 spindle on, coolant on, and M14 spindle on in the counterclockwise direction plus coolant on. These are M30 program stop. These are all the different M codes used in the CNC part programming. The commonly used word addresses. We will see the commonly used word addresses. Okay. N3 is a block number. So this block number is incremented by 5 or 10. So each block is represented by a 4-digit number, and it should be written at the starting of each program. Okay. And then the G code is a preparatory function. It is mainly used for tool movement, and X, Y, Z are the position codes. That is, it moves in the the tool has to move in the X direction plus 1.4, and the Y direction plus 1.4, and the Z direction plus 1.4. If it is represented in minus, it moves in the negative x-axis. So this is a positive x-axis and this is a negative x-axis. And then the IJK are sometimes used, or if a circle is used, or otherwise these commands cannot be, no need to use this IJK position codes. And F represents the feed rate. If feed is represented in feed rate per minute or feed rate per revolution. Okay. For this we are using G20 code. G20 and G21 code is used to represent the feed rate in inches per minute, and G21 code is used to represent feed rate in millimeter per minute. For example, F5 represents the feed rate is feed rate is 5 mm per minute if G21 code is specified. And S code represents the spindle speed of the machine. Spindle speed of the machine. Okay, spindle speed. The spindle speed is S500. S500 means the spindle rotates in 500 RPM. So it represents a speed of the spindle. But this will not actuate the machine spindle to rotate. But the M03 command is used. M03 and M04 commands are used to rotate the machine, but it represents a value of speed. That is, only one speed command can be used in a block. More than one feed function, more than one spindle speed function cannot be used in the Fanuc CNC Fanuc controller. And T4 is a tool. T4 is a tool. This T4 tool represents That is, you have to select the T4 tool. In the modern machines, there is an automatic. Every machine, every CNC machine is provided with the tool magazine. The tool magazine, more than one tools are available. That is, for example, a turret. In a turret, you can hold more than 6 tools in a turret. So, if a tool has to be changed automatically by using this command, the tool has been changed automatically. In the ordinary traditional machines, the operator has to rotate the turret and they have to change the tool. But using this command, the tool is automatically changed for this particular operation. In this M code is used to represent the machine function or miscellaneous function, that is coolant on off, machine spindle on off. For this purpose, we are using this coolant functions. Okay. Some of the important G codes are G00, the preparatory function G00. G00 is a rapid traverse, that is, the tool moves moves rapidly to the position. For example, in a drilling machine, if a drill has to be made, the tool moves directly to that position. Then linear G01, linear interpolation, from point A to B, that is x 1.4, y 1.4, then x 2.0, y 2.0. If it is like this, then the tool moves to that position. This is called linear interpolation. Then circular interpolation. In a circular machining or arc machining is to be carried out, this G02 command is used. G02 is circular interpolation clockwise. Then G03, circular interpolation counterclockwise. So this circular interpolation, in this the tool moves in the anti-clockwise direction. That is, from one point to another point, it moves in the anti-clockwise directions. Then the threading cycles G32 are threading cycles. G33, 32, 33, 34 are threading cycles, and G21 and G20 and G21 preparatory functions are used to represent the input units. G20 used to represent the input in inches. G21 code is used to represent the input in millimeters. Okay, this code should be written at the starting of every programming. And G90 command is absolute positioning, and G91 is incremental positioning. If G90 command is used, we have to select an arbitrary point. Every time the tool uses machine 00 as a reference point, that is, from one point to another point, it is from 00 to, it takes into account 0 to 10, 10, then 00 to 20, 20. Whereas in the incremental positioning, if G91 command is used, in the that is, it moves, the tool moves to the point A 10, 10, and from point B 20, 20, it is that is the 10, 10, the incremental distance only is used in this G91 command. Incremental, that is called incremental positioning. That is machine 0. Machine 0 is it is a 0th point in the machining. The machine work 0 is we have to assume 00 as a work point. So the subsequent point can be taken as a machine reference element. So this is a general structure of CNC part program. Every CNC machine consists of this type of structure. One or more G codes are used in the block, but only one M code is used in a particular block. More than one code is not allowed in a particular block. So a part program consists of several such blocks. all the blocks are arranged to form a